Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the video. Today we are here at Del Carmen Port to visit Sugba Lagoon. As I am approaching the port, it was a partially sunny and cloudy day. Anything can happen today. As usual, we have to register in the tourism. The port is very small. The boat also very small. We need to be very careful about the narrow boat. Very hard to balance over here. Either way, I have a front seat to sit down, so I can take a lot of good videos. We are leaving the port. The ride from here to Sugba Lagoon almost like a 25 minutes. On the way you can see a lot of mangrove forest. Along the way you can see a lot of good sceneries. One side is sunny day, the other side is very cloudy. Small village over there, which is very beautiful over here. And you can see a lot of coconut trees and looks very beautiful over here. When I see this kind of aqua blue water, I want to jump into it. Look at that. Clear water. There was plenty of sceneries on the way, so you will get entertained. We are approaching Sugba Lagoon. From now on, it is Sugba Lagoon. I'm very excited to see this place. So far, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Still the weather is very cloudy day. I hope I will get a good footage on the drone. We are approaching Sugba Lagoon, the docking spot. Already so many people before us arrived over here. Thank you. Thank you.
Te voy a cambiar la batería.
The place was very busy. There is no space. I'm just looking for the location to stay and take a drone shot. The climate is not bad, partially cloudy. I'm just checking out. Behind me there is a famous Instagram place for the Sugba Lagoon. People used to take the photograph and video over there. I'm just exploring the place. You can hire a kayak over here per hour 300 pesos. I have only 20 minutes to do a lot of things over here. Flying drone, jump in the water, taking GoPro video over here. So my schedule is very heavy. There is a restroom over there. After explore this place, I just want to jump in the water first. This place is very interesting. Look like a rock carved out of it. Whenever you see the new location, you always have a very good feel vibe. You will feel the power of the place and you will get amazed. Now I'm standing in the queue for the jump in the water. Most of the people go up there, only take a photo and come down. Never even jump in the water. There is two reasons they won't jump. Some of them genuinely don't know swimming. Some of them have a fear of heights. That's why they won't jump. I recommend you all to go learn swimming before come this kind of tour and travel. Swimming is a great exercise, at the same time bring a lot of joy to your life. It's my turn. I'm just taking 360 of this place before jumping the water. The place really amazing, and my turn to jump in the water. Here unfortunately cannot dive. That is also disappointing. Only can jump here.
Iba na ako sa island dapat.
Either way, enjoy my jump and come back. Now the time for fly the drone and check out the place. It looks fantastic. Even though this Sugba Lagoon very deep, still you can see the bottom. I always love the boat coming in, going out. That looks very beautiful. Look at that. That is Sugba Lagoon. That scene itself made my day. You can see here couple of beaches. If you have enough days, probably you can go and stay there and enjoy the beach over there. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome.